Hey vibes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Brooklyn. This is Vibe with Brooklyn. And on this channel, we get on a lot of topics. Topics ranging from health, beauty, skin, and the list just goes on. So if you love any of that stuff, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you on the squad as one of the vibers, okay? So with that being said, this video is a joke because you think I'm about to do a natural hair video, but I'm absolutely not. I am just going to be reviewing the Pattern blow dryer. This big old box literally cannot fit in the frame. This is the Pattern blow dryer. It comes in this extra large box because you literally get all of these pieces, and I'm about to show you the inside of the box right now. Okay, so when you open the box, it comes with this really cute little picture of our girl Tracee. She looks really, really cute with her natural hair out. This blow dryer really caught my attention because one, black owned, so for black hair. Two, although I don't wear my natural hair all the time, I do sometimes when I put it up in a bun. So having some of these pieces are really, really crucial for me. This is the blow dryer itself. I was obviously attracted to the way it aesthetically looks. I mean, this brown, this is gonna look like so cute in anyone's home, I feel like, especially if you're an aesthetics girl. I am. So I really love the color of it. It just has two settings, very straightforward, on off button. You can go all the way up to 3 on the heat. There's also this freeze setting back here. So these are the pieces you get. You first get a diffuser. This is what I use, which is the brush. I believe it's called, oh yeah, this is the brush. And at first when I used this, sorry if there's a little bit of hair in there. When I used this, I was like, how is this about to get my hair straight? It's a literal like brush, but it's like the hard bristles, just like my actual brush. So it works. This works beautifully. I'll tell you more about that. This is the wide tooth comb. I guess for like if you want the wider curls, your regular nuzzle blow dryer. And so you can still do the chase the method with the brush, girl. Like, yeah, it's a little bit ghetto, but it works, okay? Like, comment below if any of my girls do that, where you know what I'm talking about. Where you got the blow dryer just going and you got the brush like this and you chasing that thing all the way down to the ground. Yeah, if you do that, let me know, because that's my real method and I will stick to that. I will probably always go back to that once these bristles start to pop right on off. This blow dryer is $189 whole dollars, okay? Whole American dollars. Flames. That is designed for the curls and the coils and tight textures. It reduces dry time. It generates a smooth cuticle, and then it has the 4 unique attachments that I just showed you guys. I am just gonna really touch on the brush portion since that's pretty much what I've used so far. I mean, I've used diffusers in the past, and diffusers, like all these other pieces to me are kind of standard. The wide tooth comb is interesting to me though, and I would like to try that one out next time. But the brush, okay, I wear my hair straight. I told you guys that. When I used this brush, one, they're not lying about this cutting the dry time in half. It took me no time to blow dry my entire head. I blow dry my head in sections, and because of how thick this is, it was so easy to grab a large section of hair and just like brush through it. And because it gets so hot, it blow dried it really, really quick, faster than my old blow dryer, faster than the method of using the brush. You guys already know. This outbeat and outweighs all of that, and it made me super happy because for me, I focus in on my blow dry time. People always ask me, how do I get my hair so straight? Am I using products? Am I using this, that, and the third? My straightness comes from how well I wash my hair. I have to make sure I get everything out. I will wash my hair until every single piece of little baby gunk is up out of there, okay? Because that is the key to having beautifully straight hair by the end of it all. To me, this is what works for me. And listen, to the people that have asked me and will probably continue to ask me, this is what I do. I wash my hair really, really well, wash it a few times, then I go in with the blow dryer. So this right here I didn't even show you how, I'm so excited. I didn't even show you how it attaches. But this just latches right on in there, and it just snaps in, and then you have it just like this, and it's cute. And you take it off with these buttons that are on to the side. Easy. The straighter I can get my hair blow dried, the like more luscious it's just gonna look once I hit it with a curling iron or a straight iron. And having this cut the time in half, oh, I'm like Speedy Gonzalez now when I do my hair, and I love it. I'm gonna put up a video of me straightening, not straightening my hair, but blow drying my hair, so you guys can see just how straight it even gets it. It didn't really take me any time. I'm not going to show you guys me straightening my hair unless, like, if you guys want a video of that, I can give one to you. It's a straightforward process of how I do it. I think it stuns a lot of people how I straighten my hair, but I've been doing it for so long that it's like, girl, this is just like, this ain't nothing. This is like eating every day, okay? If you can afford to purchase this, it is a very good purchase, I will say. If the bristles break off, I'm not going to go that other... my ghetto route. Okay, I'm going to just buy this again for 20 bucks. So I will keep you updated. I can let you guys know how long this lasts. It's pretty sturdy so far. Buy straight from the site. I had a great experience so far. I hope that you enjoyed this quick little review, and that if you pick it up, have it, or any of those things, let me know down below if you like it, if you love it, if you hate it. We accept all commentary here, but just be nice, okay? Nice commentary. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching till the end. Y'all really rock with me if you made it all the way to the end. So hit that like button, continue to subscribe, and I will catch y'all in the next Vibe video. Bye.